Hello viewers, in this short simulation video, we will be discussing how source transformation is valid. How can we say that these two are equivalent? As we all are knowing, a practical voltage source can be replaced with a practical current source. And it is a very important network detection technique we frequently used in circuit theory to solve the circuits. So how can we say that these two are equivalent? For that, what we have to do, we have to take a common load. Suppose we are taking a load resistor. Initially, we will connect to this model. We will calculate what is the voltage across it and what is the current flowing through it. Similarly, we will try for same load across this model and we will calculate what is the voltage across it and what is current flowing through it. If both voltages and currents are same in both cases, so then we can easily conclude that these two are equivalent. Okay, so we will see its simulation also, and we have already discussed how we are getting these values. Suppose we want to transfer from voltage source to current source, so at that time the current source value will be I is equal to V by R, meaning 9 by 3 is equal to 3 ampere. Suppose I want to calculate what will be the equivalent voltage source, means I have to calculate what is the value of voltage source at that time. So at that time we have to use V is equal to IR, means 3 into 3 is equal to 9 volts. In both cases the resistor value will be same. The change is that in case of voltage source it will be connected in series, and in case of current source it will be connected in parallel. So let's verify this using PLECS simulation. Now I have completed the simulation circuit. I have connected same load resistance of 5 ohm in both cases. I have already told you how to decide the values of voltage and current. I am running this simulation. So see, you can see that in first case also my current is 1.125 ampere. Here also 1.125 ampere. The voltage across this load resistance is 5.625. Here also 5.625 volts. So this verifies that this voltage source is equivalent of this current source. Hope you have understood the concept of source transformation and you have visualized the simulation. Thank you for